In India, the Sanayukta Kisan Morcha and more than 10 farmer organizations as well as central trade unions, they have launched a nationwide strike against the Modi's government policies. According to Kashmir Media Service, farmers and trade organizations, they have taken to the streets to protest against the India-US trade agreement, the new labor code and the electricity bill 2025, the seed bill 2025 and the VBG Act 2025. Several opposition parties, they have also supported the protest. So a statement issued by Sanayukta Kisan Morcha said that the protest is being held in favor of demands such as withdrawal of the new labor code and rejection of the proposed laws related to electricity and seeds. The organization has claimed that the platform of agriculture worker organization and Nirga Sangh Morcha are also involved in this protest. The most serious objections of farmer organizations are to Electricity Bill 2025 and the Seed Bill 2025, under which electricity rates have been increased for farmers and domestic consumers and smart meters are being installed. Fears that have been expressed regarding the seed bill that it will increase the influence of multinational companies and the prices of seed will be fixed arbitrarily. Farmers have demanded that the smart meter project must be stopped and all consumers be given up to 300 units of free electricity. The India-US trade agreement has also been severely criticized by farmers and labor organizations. The import of cheap agricultural and dairy products from the United States may harm local farmers. So Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has also supported the Bharat Bandh strike and said that the lakhs of workers and farmers are raising their voices for their rights.